Hi friends, please subscribe my channel for technical training and placement related videos. And if you want more updates on my videos, please click on bell icon. Thank you for subscribing.
Hi, this is Ramu, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. In last class, we have seen various kinds of operators. In this class, we are going to see operator precedence and associativity. What is the operator precedence and what is the associativity? I'll tell you with a small example. For example, if you consider this expression, what is there? 2 plus 3 minus 2 into 3. So what is the answer for this expression? If you observe clearly, see 2 plus 3 minus 2 star 3, right? This is the expression. What is the answer? See here, I'll get a various kinds of answer. See, if you observe this expression, 2 in 2 plus 3. If you perform operation first these two and after these two and after these two, we'll get a one kind of answer. Observe clearly, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 means 5. 2 plus 3, 5 and 5 minus 2 star 3. If you observe operation 5 minus 2 means you will get 3 into 3, right, for this, and after that 3 into 3 the value goes to 9. This is the one expression. For example, in another way, if you perform 2 plus 3 minus 2 multiplication with 3, then observe what is the output here. If you perform first these two expressions, what is the output here? Minus 6, 3 plus 2, right? After that, if you perform these two operations, I will get minus 3 and 2, right? And the answer is minus 1 here. I'm getting a different answers, right? I'm getting a different answers. Ambiguity. There is no rule, right? If you're not following a rule, definitely different persons will get a different kinds of answers, because different persons have a different kinds of mindsets. I may start from here and some X person may start from here and some person may start from middle also. Right or wrong? If we don't have a rules. So the precedence is going a rule which operator you are going to perform first and which operator you are going to perform next. Right? This is called as a precedence. But what about associativity? If a precedence contains the same precedence, means, for example, see, if you have a 2 by 6 by 6, means both are the division operations. Both are the divisions operations. For example, see, if you apply 2 by 6, what output I will get it here? What output I will get it here? 2 by 6 means 0.33 by 6, right? And what is the output I get it here? Some points, right? 0 point something. But if you apply 2 by 6 by 6, if you apply 6 by 6 first, what happened? 2 by 1 and I'll get 2, right? Both are the different, right? Even same operator. If you have a same operator or a same precedence, then you should follow the associativity. Is this clear? Precedence. Which operator you need to perform first and which operator you need to perform next is going to tell by precedence. And if you have a same precedence, then you should follow associativity. Is it left to right or left to right to left? Right? Is this clear? Yeah. This is the operator and precedence. Is the one table is there. Which operator you need to perform first and which operator you need to perform next. See, this is the highest precedence. This is the highest precedence and this is the lowest precedence. Means you need to perform comma is the at lowest precedence. And also remember here you need to more concentrate on unary operators. So see, all unary operators comes under the first preference. And see, only right to left associativity, only some kind of operators. Observe clearly here. only these three only right to left associativity. Remaining all are from left to right. Only right to left is unary operators and as well as the conditional operator and assignment operator. Remaining all operators are left to right associativity. Left to right associativity. Now I'm going to tell you. See, for example, if you have an expression 2 multiply with 3 minus 3 by 2 multiply with 6. Now, how we are going to perform this expression? If you observe clearly, so here you may observe star, minus, division and star operators. First, you need to find which is the highest precedence here. See, here star is there, right? Star is there. And division is also, means star and division has the highest precedence. Star and division has the highest precedence. Precedence 1. And next subtraction is the next precedence. Means you need to perform first multiplication and division. Multiplication and division followed by subtraction. Okay, fine. And I have a 2 operators, right? Means this is the second precedence and this is the second precedence and this is the second precedence. But which one I need to perform first is based on the associativity. Yeah, if you observe the multiplication as well as the division has the same precedence and left to right associativity, means you need to start from left to right. First you need to perform this operation, first one, after that this operation and after that resultant of this operation. Right? Means first 2 into 3, 6 minus 3 by 2 means 3 by 2 means 1.5 into 6, right? 1.5 into 6. Next, this is the third operation, right? 6 minus 1.3 into 6. 1.3 into 6 means what is the value? So 9, right? And after that 6 minus 9 means minus 3 is the output. Is this clear? So should follow the associativity and as well as the precedence in this way. Right? Observe carefully and you should follow the associativity and precedence. In interview questions and as well as the gate point of view, they are going to give this kind of expressions. Based on the expressions and you should apply precedence as well as the associativity to finding the answer. Right? And as well as in increment and decrement operators also. Please note these. A equal to plus plus I. A equal to I plus plus. There is a lot of difference between these two. Right? For example, I equal to 2. And what is the answer for A here? And what is the I value? And what is the A and what is the I value here? Observe clearly. It is a pre-increment or post-increment? Yes, it is a pre-increment. Right? It is a pre-increment like prepaid. What is a prepaid? Prepaid means the prepaid. If I am using prepaid plan means first I need to pay the amount. I need to use the services, right? That is called as a prepaid. Here also prepaid means first you need to increment the value and after that you should assign. Means increment the value means A equal to plus plus I means first increment the value. Pre means increment the value means T value goes to 3 and you need to assign the value means A value is 3 and I value is also 3. This is called as a pre-increment. What about post-increment? Post-increment means first assign the value. What is I value? 2, right? Assign the value and you go for the increment. That is the difference. Please remember, post-increment and pre-decrement. That is the main difference. Even I am going to show you in the program also. See, A equal to C. For example, yeah, and I equal to 2. I equal to 2. Here I am going to give A equal to plus plus I. Here I am going to print percentage D and percentage D. Here first one is the I value and second one is the A value. Observe carefully. I comma A. If you run this code, I equal to 3, A equal to 3. The reason is here pre-increment. Pre-increment means A value equal to plus I means first increment the value. When you increment the value, I value goes to 3. After that you need to assign, means A value is 3 and I value is also 3. Right? For example, if I change this increment to I plus plus. Observe clearly on what is the output here. Means here I value is 3 but A value is 2. The reason is, see here A equal to I plus means first assign the value. What is the initial I value? I value is 2. Means assign the value. Means A value is goes to 2. And after that you go for the increment. Means I value is goes to 3. That is why answer you getting A value is 2 and I value is 3. Please note this. Pre-increment or decrement, whatever it may be. Pre-increment definition is increment then pre-increment means, I'll write here, pre-increment means first increment and assign, right? What about post increment means please assign first and you go for the increment. This is the formula, please note this. If it is clear, then you can able to handle with the increment and decrement as same. Pre-decrement and post-decrement also will work as it is. Right? Is this clear? So these are the operator precedence and importance of the what it is called post-increment and pre-increment. Right? Only in the associativity is changed for only for the three various kind unary operators and assignment operators, conditional operators. The remaining all from left to right. Only those operators from right to left. Right? So try to take some expressions and try to follow these rules. Okay, get point of view, you need to concentrate on some important operators are first one and second, third. Right? These are the mainly concentrated operators. The remaining are not much important, but you should aware of the operators. Precedence is very, very important. And associativity is also. You know, it's very clear. Associativity is only for these one from right to left. The remaining all from left to right only. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.